Today's daily shout out goes to you. If you would like to receive a daily shout out, all you have to do is comment on my new video, comment on my Roblox group wall, or buy some merch. And yeah, let's go on to the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is just set up your GFX like you normally do. I'm not going to explain how to do this, but you can watch one of my other tutorials if you would like to know how. Once you're done setting up your GFX, all what you're going to want to do is go to this little camera icon, and this is the exposure. You should only need to mess with this when you're doing advanced lighting, but I'm just going to tell you about this anyways. So you should usually keep it on 1, but when I do advanced lighting, I have it on 5. Keep in mind this is a basic tutorial, so you won't need to move this. But the exposure basically makes it brighter, so if your GFX was too bright, for some reason you would turn the exposure down. If your GFX was not bright enough, you would probably want to turn the exposure up. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that to you guys. So to actually turn lighting, click this globe icon, and then you're gonna, once you click that, you're going to click Ambient Occlusion, and you can click render to see how it looks. Mine is already bright because my exposure is on 10 right now, but if it wasn't on 10, it'd be pretty dark. So now this is Ambient Occlusion on, and it's really bright because my exposure is on, so you can actually like turn it down, but you will usually want it all the way up if your exposure is just 1, so you normally just don't need to mess with exposure at all. But yeah, so our brightness is all good and everything, and I'm gonna turn the exposure down. So yeah, this is how it looks. So now we're gonna turn the factor up. So yeah, this is how it looks. All we have to do really is go to the globe icon and turn on an ambient occlusion, and you'll be done. But yeah, that's how you do basic lighting. Comment down below if you want me to do advanced lighting tutorials sometime. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment what's your favorite part of the video. And I'll see you gummy bears next time. Goodbye.